Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about where are my tools. Mainly the weld tool on this video. Somebody left me a message off one of my videos, and they wanted to know where the weld tool, they actually wanted to know where back minus front was on X18 or something, and they're not there. Well, it's like a lot of things in Corel. If you select these two, let's go back. Let's take one item and you select it. You don't have any weld tools. Go to object and you can't group it because there's nothing to group. You've got to always think about that. So when you have two objects, you select them, your weld tools show up, back minus front, and for some reason mine, normally when you hover over it'll tell you what it is, and I need to figure out what's going on. But I know that's a weld tool, so I can weld that together. Now let's back up, and the same thing, you've got them both selected. You can go to object, and now you can group it where you couldn't go before. So a lot of times you have to think about that. Like right now, where's my nudge distance? My nudge distance is gone, my duplicate distance is gone. It's because I'm selected on something. Unselect, and there's your nudge distance and your duplicate distance. So think about that sometimes when you can't find a tool, either checked on something or not checked on something, or selected. Now always inside of object, you can go to shaping, and there's your weld tools, and it actually tell you trim, intersect, front minus back, back minus front, or put a boundary. So we just hit boundary and there it is. So I hope it helped that person, and maybe you learned a little bit, and thank you for watching.